Fauzan. I would like to share my opinion about smoking in the campus area. I think that smoking on campus should be prohibited. Campus is an academic environment that should support the health, comfort, and productivity of the entire academic community. Smoking on campus not only endanger the health of active smokers but also passive smokers who are innocent but still inhale cigarette smoke. Inhaled cigarette smoke contains dangerous substances that can trigger various diseases such as lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory disorder for students and lecturers who have a history of asthma or allergy. Exposure to cigarette smoke can be very disturbing, therefore keeping the campus air clean is important step in clean healthy learning environment. In addition, a smoke-free campus reflects positive values such as discipline, responsibility, and concern for other students as the young generation and future leader of the nation should be role model in plan in as healthy lifestyle. Smoking in public area of campus also show readiness toward others who do not smoke. Thank you. Hello everyone. It's back. My name is Fauzan. What is present continuous tense? The meaning of present is then present, so the definition of present continuous tense is a tense form that you can use to explain. What is the formula for present continuous tense? Subject, to be, am, is, are, verb in. What are the present continuous tense? Sentence is present continuous. Will say is writing letter at the moment I is singing a song. Example present continuous tense. She is reading book in the park. We are not swimming in the pool. At the moment, are we going to the beach this weekend? Is the baby sleeping right now? Use of present continuous tenses. Things that are happening now. She is reading a romance novel right now. He is not dancing on the stage. Use of the feel, look, smell, and taste in the present continuous. Feel, adjective, look, cake look good, smell, means to meal as meal, taste with console alone. Understanding present continuous tenses, present continuous tense of common called present progressive. Structure of the present continuous tense. Thank you.
Quiz time. Present continuous edition. Are you ready? What is the right answer? Is she driving? What is the right answer? Are you studying? What is the right answer? Is he speaking? What is the right answer? Are they climbing? What is the right answer? Are they fighting? What is the right answer? Is she doing exercise? What is the right answer? Are they writing? Did you get them all? Good job. See you